Okay, so I'm going to do this kinematics. I did the one for the last lab that we had to do. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Um, this is kind of small for me. My eyes are horrible. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm gonna start now. I had already started, but you don't have to use this. This is just how I'm doing. I'm doing it. I'm just going to copy this one.
Do you see that bright stuff? All right. So what do you think it is? Is it just sunny? Let's look one more time.
Alright, this doesn't have to be either. I use the character map, this, which you can just easily type in char map in the Windows area. And I think this is on Arial. Let's scroll down just a little bit. It's the degree sign. That's how I got this. But you also don't have to put this H. It only has to be the ground. But you know, clarification. That's what I use. So we're gonna do time 1. And like the teacher said, you don't. It doesn't have to be. It does not have to be an exact angle and an exact measurement centimeters. I am just going to do, for example, 20 degrees. So, and 20, and when you put it on here, it doesn't have to be up here, because this counts as 25. This counts as 20. Alright, so we put the gate. I'm going to put it on 60 because I'm not exactly sure about exactly other than that you're supposed to put it.
It's going from what side? Point to the direction. Very good. And it's going where? To what direction? It's coming from over there and it's going where?
Put gate 1.
Over where, Rose?
On 0.
Okay, so it's coming from over here, but what
gate
direction
2 on
is it going?
0.5 because that is the first measurement we're going to use. And it can be on the line, behind the line. It's all accuracy.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm going to get my ball now. I'm going to place it on the gate. You don't want to place it up here because it'll bounce and it'll go down through. And that's not what you're trying to record, so you just place it real close to it. Alright, so I'm just going to click the button. We don't have to do anything with the timer because the timer's going to do its own thing. The first gate is going to be when it starts recording. The second gate is going to be when it stops. So we're just going to click the button here and it's going to roll through. We're going to record the time. And this is not like the last one where you have to rush and catch what it is. So I'm just going to put the measurement or velocity here and start. .443, and you're probably going to want to record it first because the ball will roll through the first key if it's too high, and it'll start it over again. So we're going to reset. Oh my gosh, I hate trying to catch this ball. I'll wait for it to come back. As you see, it went through the gate again, so it's gonna go through. That's why you have to record before it does that. Oh my gosh. Dang. Okay. We'll place it back here. You're gonna do this 4 times. So that was the first time. I'm gonna record it again. Make sure your timer is always reset before you start doing it. Push the button for the gate. .445. Reset. Third time.
What are you kidding?
I already reset, so I'll have to go look.
No.
Did it reset? Oh, I forgot. It went through the gate again, so you know that's why. That's why I also highlight that. That's not something you record. You see, it just goes up on its own. So yeah, no, that's not what we're looking for. I'm gonna redo that one. Alright, it's at 0. You definitely want to keep on looking. I'm going to in this example. Press the button again. 0.443. Accuracy check, precision check, sorry. Yeah, it's gonna roll right through there again, and that's why it did that last time. I'll have to reset it again. Alright, what's this last one, I think? It's the last one. Press the button again. 0.440. Okay, that's the first recording. He's gonna put those in Excel, or the graph. It doesn't have to be Excel, but that's what I'm using, so. And it's just gonna be the first row because you're only using 0.5 distance. So 0.443.
Go to your math mix, see what you're supposed to do today.
So then you're gonna, to get the average, of course, you're just gonna use your calculator. And you're going to add them all together and divide it by the number of times, which is 4. So I'm gonna do 0.43 plus 0.45 plus 3 plus 4. It was 440, but you know, same thing. Divided by 4 is 0.44275. You're gonna round up 1 because your tens, hundreds, thousands, you know the next one, 10,000s, would round up on the thousands. So this is going to be 0.443 is the average time. And then you would fill in the velocity in the meters over the seconds, which this is seconds. You're going to do meters here, which is 0.5 over, oops, that's not what I meant to do, 0.5, so it's clear, over average time, seconds, 0.443. And that's what you throw in the middle. Alright, so I record where I put the gates. I place the gates on, place the gate on the 60 centimeter line. And the angle, 20 degrees. It's the angle, 20 degrees. So then I'm just gonna copy that, paste it down on these. Computer slow, so you know, can't expect a lot. I'd be doing a lot on my computer, so my stuff, my work stuff, all that stuff is just, you know. But now you're just gonna place it on another set. It can be different by whatever it's going to be. So if I'm going to do, I did 60 that time. it can be on, I don't know, you can put it on whichever one you want to put it on. Let's just say I put it on 35 or 30, that's fine too. You can put it on 30 and just record on there that you're putting on gate 30. Place the gate on 30 centimeters. I need to put that unit of measurement. So each one you're going to place which centimeter line you're putting it on, the gate on, and which angle you're putting it on. You see? Okay. So that's an example. That's how you fill this out. You're just going to fill out each one of these the same exact way. And I hope that helped. Other than that, I will make a second video on the extra instructions, other than just filling out. Well, actually, these would be things that you would answer, because that's the report. This is the report. The other one was the instructions, which Zimmerman went over in the class on Thursday. Let me see, I have it up. On Thursday, no, I closed it. I did close it. Let me see. Yeah, I closed it, but she sent out a email on how to do the lab sometime last week. I didn't go to it because I was a little busy, but you know, it's all good for me. I looked at the video, went through it, so I understand what I need to do. You guys can use my example, or Mrs. Zimmerman's example, of course, because she's a teacher. I'm not. That's basically it. I just accidentally closed that. But that's how you fill these out. Thanks for watching. I'll make another video soon.